In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Gmail to Bigin CRM. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, you're going to need to log into your Bigin CRM account. This is your main dashboard where all the magic happens, so make sure you have your credentials ready. Once you've logged in, the next step involves opening the email settings. To do this, simply navigate to the settings, which is represented by the gear icon. You'll usually find this in the top right corner of your main workspace. Once there, you'll want to go to the Channels section, and from the drop-down menu, find the Email option. This is where you'll get the chance to add an email account, so go ahead and click on either Add Email Account or Connect Email. Moving on, you'll need to specify Gmail as your email provider. This step is quite straightforward. From the list of various email providers, select Gmail. After that, proceed to click Connect. What this does is initiate the process needed to bridge your Gmail account with Bigin CRM. Now you will see a Google sign-in window pop up. This is essential as it allows Bigin to connect seamlessly with your Gmail. Go ahead and log in with the Gmail account you'd like to connect. If you're like many others, you might have multiple Google accounts. Make sure you're choosing the right one associated with the emails you wish to manage in Bigin CRM. Select the appropriate account if prompted. Next, review the permissions requested by Bigin. It's crucial to understand what access you're granting. Bigin will typically ask for permissions that allow it to manage emails, access your contact list, and perform related actions. This might seem like a lot, but it's necessary for Bigin to integrate your communications effectively. Click Allow to authorize the access. And that's it. You've now linked your Gmail account to your Bigin CRM. This integration will streamline your workflow, allowing you to manage emails and customer relationships without constantly switching between platforms. With these steps, everything should be set up correctly. However, if you encounter any issues during the process, make sure to double-check that you're using the right credentials and that your account settings in Google allow third-party app integration. It's also a good idea to keep your browser and Bigin CRM updated to the latest versions to prevent any hiccups along the way. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing. Whether you're managing customer relationships or sorting through emails, linking Gmail to Bigin CRM can greatly enhance productivity. Stay tuned for more tips and guides to help you make the most out of your digital tools.